Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how to add an account on YouTube Kids. YouTube Kids allows parents to manage what their children watch, set up profiles for different kids, and control screen time. So in order to add a new account or add a new kids profile on YouTube Kids, first of all, open up the YouTube Kids application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Enter your passcode or solve a simple math problem in order to get to the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, go to My Kids tab and tap on Add New. Now, in order to add a new kid, go ahead and enter your password for your Gmail account and then tap on Confirm. On the next page, create a profile for your new child. Type down the first name of the child in the first tab and then select their age. You can also enter the birth month. Since it's an optional, you can skip it as well. After typing in all the information down, you can then go ahead and choose a profile picture for your child by tapping on the pencil icon right underneath the avatar. Now choose a profile picture for your child of your preference and then tap on the arrow at the bottom right. Now recommend content setting for your child. You can select the age for your child from the age category, or you can also approve content by yourself by tapping on Approve Content yourself and select the contents you'd like to approve. You can also choose one of these options such as preschool, younger or older. And after you are done, you have created a new profile for your child. You can now go ahead and switch between profiles from the settings menu inside YouTube Kids. You'll see the child's account listed right underneath My Kids. So that's how you have successfully added a new child account on YouTube Kids. Now your child can enjoy age-appropriate content while you stay in control of their viewing experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.